yung mga short-term indicators ng MACD should short-term indicators ng MA should coincide with the short-term indicators ng MACD. And yung longer one, like the 100-day moving average should coincide with above zero cross. Kasi 100-day tells you bullish eh. Above zero tells you bullish. But to make your life simple, anytime na may conflict, I said it already, anytime na may conflict, that's why you need other parameters.
Guys, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to Marvin's channel and have a lot of informative videos. Mag-e-enjoy po kayo.
Smash the bell, guys. Smash the bell. And watch more videos of me in this channel. Sobrang sikat, guys. Hold, sell, buy. Gumawa na sarili. Okay, hold. Okay. Let's see. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Breakout? Candlestick, bullish, bearish. Bullish. Boom. Ngayon. Ito yung maganda. Okay, pa lang, palakpakan na. Ang mas sure pag ito, pero na. Ngayon, andito na tayo. Seller hold. 5 seconds. Andito tayo ngayon. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Hold. Bakit sell? Bakit sell? Why would you sell? Hindi. Huwag kayo magbenta pag kumita kayo, ha? Hindi, totoo lang. Magbenta ko. Huwag kayo magbenta doon. You sell, once your parameters are hit. Okay, let's see kung may parameter. Number 1. Can you draw a support line? Here's support line. Was it broken? No. So if it's not broken, what do you do? Hold. Kasi sayang, what if it breaks out pa? Again, the name of the game is this. If you're right, if it's breaking out, it's going up, you hold. Sayang eh. Ako my biggest mistakes were hindi ako nag-cut kagad. Most of my mistakes was I sold too early. Mas madami akong maling ganun. As in, sold it at 10%, naging 80%. Sold it at 20%, naging 50%. Yun yung mas malaking pagkakamali. And gano'n naman po ulit-ulit eh. Minsan pa, ginagawa natin, I mentioned it earlier, binigay dito, mag-break even benta. Yes? Pero nintay mo niyan 2 years. Pero yung umakit ng 1 year, binibenta natin kagad. Sayang. Next one. This one. 10 seconds, think about it. Then you can raise your placards. Buy or avoid, cash pa lang. We have cash right now. Okay. I'll give you 5 seconds more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Avoid. Tayo, walang papel. Okay. Anyways, breakout, breakdown. Meaning, buy, avoid. Avoid. Next. Here. Buy or avoid? Buy. Are you sure? Buy. Sure? Ibig sabihin mo nag-hold kayo, hit kayo nun. What can you do? Ito technique ko. Diba I said, wait for stocks to go down, tapos doon kayo bumili, yes? Yeah. But another thing that you need to do also to protect yourself is, kailangan sure kayo na tapos hindi lang siya tapos bumagsak. Pero katulad ni Rod, handa na siya bumangon muli. Oh, kasi bakit? Gusto niyo po bumili ng rebound? May reaction sa likod. Gusto niyo na what? Pagkatama niya sa baba, possible kasi pag tumama siya sa baba, hindi pa siya ready bumangon ulit. It will stay there for a long time pa. What I do is this. What do you see here? It's forming a support. Yes? What does it mean if it's forming a support? Joke lang. Sinabi ko na kahapon, I'm 35 years old, pero I always say, my age plus 10 para yung reaction mo, oh, bata. But I'm 35 years old. Yeah.
1983, September 24.
That's a na? Okay.
I'm here.
Okay, go. Yes. Siya lang sa lahat ng Stock Smarts in the whole world na nag-attend, may nakulong pa lang. Okay, go.
Regarding kay X, sinasaktan pa niya.
Okay.
What is the future?
Future of X. Okay. Number 1, fundamentals for losing money. Number 2, technicals. You will see this. You will see this. Ganun talaga yung X eh. Kahit ayaw mo na, sasaktan ka pa rin eh. You will see this sa X. To make it super simple, I'll zoom out. What does it look like? And then, I will try to put at least the 200-day moving average and the 100-day moving average. Bullish, bearish? Bearish still. So, from a funda perspective, wala pa nang bago sa negosyo eh. From a tech perspective, bearish pa siya eh. So, if you want to see it reverse, it needs to break out of the 200-day moving average for it to have a semblance of reversing. That's it. Everything that you need to know is either found in the fundamentals or the technicals. That's it. Yes, go.
Sir, yung sukat ng ano ng hack.
Maki, I don't change, default lang. I only use the default settings.
Yung like,
Sorry? I don't, kung yung default, I don't change it anymore. So, yung sa MACD ko dito, yan. 26, 12, 9. Signal line is 9. Oh. I don't change anything. Yun na yun. You have to remember, it's an oscillator. I don't tweak it. Yung tweak ko lang yung either moving average or pag ako yung drawing. Okay, Noel. By the way, si Noel, top fan sa Facebook. Yeah!
Wala siyang pinalampas na video mo, Mark.
Oo nga eh. Ang galing niya pati yung suot mo ng time na yun. Go.
Regarding ano lang sa moving averages,
Okay.
Is it necessary to follow your own moving averages or
You can do your own.
And follow-up question regarding the moving average. Is it, there's a time like the moving averages monthly will be going in different ways or they will stop together?
Good question.
We see that upward and it's going up. It's when it's crossed 25. I need to know if this coincides also by using the moving average. How does it looks like? Or is it there's a chance that they will go different ways or they should go parallel?
Thank you for that wonderful question. Okay, I believe in the ability of the MACD. But to answer it, first question was asking, can you use your own moving average? Of course, but the principle should be the same. Cross up, cross down, ultimate crossover, breakdown, kumpul-kumpul, hindi na magbabago yun. You can use, gamit natin 50, pwede ko kung sarili mo, Newell's indicator, 1949, 99, 199, pwede yun. Bakit? Wala naman siya difference eh. What's important lang is whatever you use, you stick to it. Kasi kung meron ultimate na number, sana lahat ng tao bilyonaryo. It's not about what number you use, it's how you follow and have the discipline to execute based on that. That's one. Number 2, magkakaroon na siya ng conflict. Depende sa context, you have to remember, yung mga short-term indicators ng MACD should short-term indicators ng MA should coincide with the short-term indicators ng MACD. And yung longer one, like the 100-day moving average should coincide with above zero cross. Kasi 100-day tells you bullish eh. Above zero tells you bullish. But to make your life simple, anytime na may conflict, I said it already, anytime na may conflict, that's why you need other parameters to add sa bala mo to be able to help you analyze. Kasi if you're just using 2, anytime na may conflict, wala kang hanapin. So you need to use other ones to help balance it out. If this one is bullish, and this one is bearish, tapos you can use bullish, kahit sa bearish to, mas madami ang parameters to buy and buy. But in any time na may doubt, anytime na hindi ka sure, avoid. That's what you do. Move on to the next stop. Yeah. Thank you, Tatan!
More questions? Wala na.
Marvin?
Yes, go.
Do you recommend mostly blue chip stocks or some mas smaller?
That's a very, very good question. If you noticed it, when we did fundamental analysis yesterday, I didn't even mention the term blue chip. Why? Because blue chip is overrated. Blue chip is so subjective na, let me give you an example. Familiar ka sa term na pogi? Yes or no?
Yes.
Pag pogi, subjective, yes or no? Yes. That's why, for me, it's more important, above and beyond the term blue chip, you have to look at the fundamentals. I give this example all the time because it's classic to. 2011, people did not consider pure gold as blue chip. Pero the fundamentals was amazing. You buy because of the fundamentals, do not buy because of the labels. Kasi pwede siya tinatawag ng ibang tao basura, pero pag yung fundamentals maganda, bilhin nyo siya. Do not buy based on the label, do not buy based on the general classification. To buy it because the fundamentals are dictating it for you. Yun. And rule of thumb, kung may buy signal ka and your wife tells you, avoid. Happy wife, happy life. Okay.
Second opinion.
Next, meron pa?
More questions?
Yes, okay, go. Renz. Verano.
So, Marvin, nag-calculate po ba kayo before earnings report sa holidays? Is it advisable to stay open to
Yeah, I do. As long as, again, I do not follow the news, no? As long as 3 days before earnings report, nag-breakout siya, buy ako. It doesn't matter to me. 3 days before holiday, 2 days before holiday, nag-buy signal, I buy. Pero also, 1 day before holiday, may sell signal, I sell. So I'm pretty much dictated by what the charts are telling me. So, the problem kasi minsan is earnings report, pag kahit positive yan, we've talked about this kanina, kahit positive yung earnings report, bumabagsak eh. Kahit positive yung earnings report, minsan umakyat. And it's hard to base my decisions on that. So, yung anchor ko, yung charts talaga. So, regardless of where the positioning of the earnings reports are, or the holidays are, if walang sell signal sa chart, wala akong ginagawa. Ganun na. Thank you, Renz. By the way, si Renz, nauna pa siya nag-trade ng foreign markets before the Philippines. Yes? Yaman. Palakpakan na si Renz. Oh!
Bumitan na, bumitan.
More pa?
Janice, baka may question?
Wala na? Yeah.
No more? Okay.
Okay, thank you so much.